How do I install add-ons on Stremio?
Welcome to this tutorial video on installing add-ons on Stremio. Today, we'll walk you through the process step by step to enhance your streaming experience.
What is Stremio?
Stremio is a media center application that allows you to watch and organize video content from various sources, including movies, TV shows, and live TV. Add-ons are plugins that extend Stremio's functionality by providing access to additional content or services.
How do I find add-ons?
To find add-ons, open the Stremio app and go to the add-on catalog. Here, you'll find a list of available add-ons, which can be sorted by various categories, such as movies, series, or channels.
How do I install an add-on?
1. Open Stremio and make sure you are logged in. 2. Click on the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner. 3. Select the add-ons option from the menu. 4. Browse the add-on catalog to find an add-on that interests you. 5. Click on the Install button next to the add-on. 6. Stremio will then show a confirmation message. Click on Install again to confirm. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed an add-on on Stremio.
How do I use the installed add-on?
1. Going back to the main screen of Stremio. 2. Selecting the Discover tab to explore content provided by your installed add-ons. 3. Choose a category, movies, series, channels, etc., to find content from your installed add-on.
How do I manage my add-ons?
1. Click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. 2. Select the add-ons option from the menu. 3. Here, you can view, update, or uninstall add-ons as needed. Now you know how to install, use, and manage add-ons on Stremio. Enjoy your enhanced streaming experience with a wide range of content from various sources. Happy streaming!